Hi, it's Paul Purewan and welcome to this month's edition of How's the Calgary Market. Here we'll look at what's been happening to the detached Calgary real estate market for August 2019. We'll look at 5 performance indicators and discuss the current trends in the market. Now let's start off with detached sales. For the month of August we saw 946 sales, which was slightly lower than July's figure of 1,000. Sales do tend to drop a little in August as potential buyers spend the last few weeks of summer typically going on vacation. Year-over-year sales are up 1.9% from last August's 928 sales. Now looking back year-over-year, sales are slightly higher than last year's figure, which is good to hear. Next up we have new listings in the market for August. This August we saw 1,587 new homes hit the market, slightly lower than July's figure of 1,605 and lower than last year's figure of 1,820. As you can see from previous months, new listings are starting to reduce, meaning less inventory for buyers to look at. This is something we'll watch closely as the year progresses. Looking at total available inventory, this August saw 3,731 potential homes for buyers to look at, a slight decrease from July's 3,820 and a healthy decrease from last August's 4,444. Moving on to days on market, we have 54 for August, which is slightly higher than July's 50 days. And not much has changed comparing last year's figures with this year. Last August we were at 51 days on market, a slight 4.5% increase from this August's 54 days. If you look at this year's trend, we notice days on market getting shorter than staying relatively the same for the second quarter. We'll continue to keep an eye on days on market and let you know how it's performing in future reports. Next up we have the benchmark price. This August's figure was 488,400, which has pretty much stayed the same for the last several months. However, compared to last August figure of 500,000, year over year we've seen a drop of about $12,500. In short, it does look like the days of it being a buyer's market are slowly coming to an end for detached homes. With the decrease in inventory and a slight increase in sales, inventory levels are falling. We should start to see days in market decreasing as the year goes on. I don't think we're completely out of the woods yet, however we are slowly getting back on the horse. Stay tuned and I'll keep you posted what's happening in the Calgary real estate market. Now this concludes this month's How's the Calgary Market. I hope this information helps. If you have any questions regarding the Calgary real estate market, please feel free to reach out or leave a comment. If you'd like a more detailed report for your neighborhood, let us know. We can forward one over to you. Thank you and I'll see you next month.